What about taking note from just a logistical perspective? Are you using like a CRM or an application on your computer, or how are you keeping the information that you get from your clients organized?
Great question. So for every client, I have a Google folder for them that is shared with them. So that's where we have that kind of initial financial overview spreadsheet. That's where we have our spending tracker. And also that's where I have a notes document for us that's shared. And so that's where I'll note down like what their action items are, our session notes, all of that. And I tend to make it a little harder for myself, and I take notes by hand on paper during meetings because I'm bad at like typing during it. And then I'll just rewrite them into my Google Doc.
Some of the and voice dictation tools might make that a little easier too these days.
Totally. Yeah, I haven't gotten into any of that, but I'm sure eventually I will. But honestly, at the pricing that I do, I'm able to keep my client load at a really manageable amount. So doing all these things like the notes is just factored into my schedule planning and my kind of forecasting, because I don't want to be in a situation where I can't remember details about clients' lives, or where I need to rely on an AI bot taking notes because I don't have the time to take my own.
So I actually wrote a book here called Be Discovered: How to Market Your Financial Coaching Business. Everything from how to do a webinar, to doing on-demand webinars, to setting up online communities, to figuring out how you're going to partner with on a podcast, to doing a podcast alone, to using social media and YouTube and paying for ads on Facebook versus LinkedIn and all sorts of stuff. You're going to find more stuff in here than you are ever going to be able to explore. Chapter 65, how to use AI, how not to lose your ideas. 69, how to start a podcast. 70, the best podcast platforms for beginners. Chapter 99, why you need Toastmasters. Chapter 98, how to build a wow presentation. Chapter 100, how to get booked as a speaker. So I would highly encourage you to go grab it now. I am hoping that this and the content that I'm producing here on the channel is helping you grow your business. I will see you soon.